Hi everyone, Qash here, the creator behind qashmarket.com. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I'm using Manus AI to build a global ready AI apps with zero coding, free credits and a very little mission to fund my freedom and to help millions of you to do the same. When Manus says no code AI builder, they mean it. This platform lets you build serious as micro tools, automation full of AI agents. You design your app visually, plug in your AI logic, connect real tools, and ship instantly. And the best part, if you submit your build, you can earn 100,000 free credits. Okay? So let me show you what I am creating. Cash Market is not a Malaysian marketplace. It is a global micro entrepreneur storefront generator. Every user gets their own personal store, their own shareable link, their own WhatsApp checkout, and an AI engine that writes everything for them. 1 minute, one item, one store, that's it. Okay? So if you want to build your own AI apps or you want to create a tool that funds your freedom, Manus AI give you the power. So no code, no noise, just execution. And if Manus selects your project, you get 100,000 free credits to take it even further. So this is how I'm building qashmarket.com, and this is how you can build your futures too. Let's go. Thank you. See you in the next video. Cash Aris theory. Okay guys, wait, yes, I'm telling you, you can be a full AI apps with zero coding. Yeah, because I just did it and I already show you how. So by the way, my name is Cash Aris. I'm a solopreneur, SaaS founder, PhD candidate. I'm building cashmarket.com using Manus AI. No code, no headache, just vibes. And it works, okay? Manus AI lets you drag and drop your entire AI app into existence. Wow, isn't it amazing? Okay, in all very fast. And if you want to submit your build, you can get 100,000 free credits. Yup, it's true, okay? So if you want to build your own AI app that can fund your freedom, just like me, go play with Manus AI. If I can build Cash Market with zero coding, you can build anything. Follow me if you want more about AI builds, founder's journey, and behind the scenes realness. Let's build the future, one no-code apps at a time with Manus AI. Okay, take care.